Honorable Honorable Kemwankwa, our councillor. Honorable Best Producer of Delta State Youth Leader. Honorable lead the way to civilization. Honorable the traditional base setter of honor. Honorable the transpoint of honor. If I'm reading through the plots I'm seeing here. Obodoba, producer of the first political juggernaut, late Chief Chris Okoye. Okay, Obodoba will be very new. Azungu Nugadi, where I'm a mama when the neighbor or some Okolobianuma, Chairman of Obodoba Youth, Engineer Chukuma Lobi Mamuja. Vice Chairman of Obodoba Youth, Ojimu Ojeze, Sawaiti, the one Obodoba, Odogu Wakiba, Igadio.